Ready to get started on washing this hair. So everything is separated into 8 sections. Hope you guys can see. Alright. Dale la vuelta. There we go. Alright, so let's see. Alright, Alright, so we know that I don't put dandruff in a spray bottle because it is too thick of a solution to put in a spray bottle. You just apply it with your hand and then you work your magic with your fingers. So I still have my Sisterlocs and it's diluted. Starting shampoo, dandruff to go. I forgot the top broke off. I need the top of it. I'm actually gonna just like spray it with water. Here's dry. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe because I really need all the support I can get. Oh, this water is cold. I'm not into it. Please comment down below how your day has been going or how your week has been going. Mine has been a lot blissful lately. It's been a great couple of days as I got some rest that was well needed after just moving out. It was a quick process. It wasn't too difficult. It didn't even take that much time. It all worked out, but my body was just really, really sore. I was really tired. I don't work out, so yeah, my body was feeling it. If you guys are interested in seeing where I moved into, like if you want to see a tour of my room and the bathroom, because I don't feel comfortable showing the entire place because it's not really my place. I'm a new roommate with new people that I am not familiar with. They seem very cool. Very cool individuals. This actually feels so relieving, guys. I don't even know how to express it. Just know it's great. Oh, just know it's great. Doing great. You're doing great. I feel like it's been a while since I put any content up for you guys, so I was like, nah, I do need to make it my job to put something up for you guys. Usually, most of the videos that you see on my channel are actually being recorded and displayed, like posted on Thursdays. So I normally do my recordings on this day. Today is Thursday. Today is the 4th of February. I think it's like probably like 5 o'clock right now, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard. Just in case any viewers that are not in the same state as me, I'm in Florida. Oh man, I'm gonna need to really buy this more of this. It's running out, and it really does help. I don't get that much flakes. When I do, it's just because it's been a while since I've washed my hair. I don't wash my hair on a schedule. As I actually mentioned this on the previous video, so if you haven't, please go ahead and check the video before this one. I gave a lot of input on that too. But it's doing great. My hair is actually growing all by itself without being applied with any kind of product that isn't from Sisterlocs originally. And I've been taking my vitamin E to protect my hair and to keep the glow so that it doesn't look so dry, if that makes sense. But it's been doing really good. It has. And it's actually been 5 months now with the installation of my Sisterlocs. It's coming out so good. But my curiosity is like, is my hair gonna be puffy? Because when my hair was curly or it was blowed out, it was very puffy and thick. If it's gonna be puffy type of Sisterlocs, I don't know. I've seen people on social platforms who have Sisterlocs and like how well they progressed after a year, and their hair kind of looks kind of the same texture, but I don't know for sure. It's just by the way it looks. It has like, they have the exact same color hair, exact same texture of hair. So I'm just like, oh my god, is my hair gonna look like that? Like, I don't even know. But I'm so excited for the length that's to come for it. Yeah, there's the hair that's loose. I was looking for it. Making sure all of them really do walk out. But I do see, generally, it's been 5 months and now it really is locked up more than it has been within 4 months or 3 months. So it really is activating the locks. I still keep getting comments of like, what is that? Are those braids? They're not braids, they're just their locks. It's not new. It's just not really seen as much. Not a lot of people have them. Even when I first found out, I didn't know anything about them until I met certain people who have it. So, I need a shave. I have hair on the armpits that is not available. I'm so sorry, you guys. If you guys are interested in having or watching a Q&A of me getting to introduce myself and really tell fun facts about me, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to go ahead and make that video, but I really want to see what you guys think and where you guys are at with my attractions to my channel. I do have some future projects as far as more collabs. I haven't been putting them in the works because again, I had a couple things I really did need to take care of, and now it's starting to get there, and we'll see. I'm so excited for this YouTube journey. It's not even funny. Sometimes I get nervous and then I do do I want to put a video up this week? And it's just because I've been having a lot of fatigue. I need to figure that out and just have energy to do anything. So that is the end result of why I don't post as much as I should. But there's no excuse. I need to get better at it. And honestly, what will motivate me the most is if you guys can go ahead and share my videos to your friends, your family, whoever you might think that is interested in locks. Please go ahead and share it to them. I would really, really appreciate that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and now jump in the shower, take a shower, wash my hair, and then come back. Alright, so I'll be back in just a second. Alright, so just go ahead and do it now. thank you guys for tuning into my video. Hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below the video. Until next time, thank you. Bye.